Major Breonna Taylor update as ex-Kentucky cop Brett Hankison faces life sentence if convicted over deadly police raid. Prosecutors will once again try to convict an ex-Kentucky police officer who blindly opened fire into Breonna Taylor's apartment on the night of the deadly raid in 2020. An August 21 trial date has been set for fired Louisville police officer Brett Hankison, who was arrested last August on federal charges. Prosecutors will take another jab at convicting Hankison, who was fired from the police force in June 2020 and charged with wanton endangerment that September for firing 10 shots through a window and glass door along the side of Taylor's apartment. The bullets entered an adjacent apartment, endangering a pregnant neighbor, her young child and her boyfriend. A jury eventually cleared him of all charges in the case. Attorneys will meet to discuss the case at a status conference in a Louisville federal courtroom on Wednesday. Hankison faces a maximum sentence of life in prison if convicted. He and ex-cops Joshua Janes, Kyle Meany and Kelly Hannah Goodlett were all arrested on August 4, 2022, and hit with federal charges. Prosecutors said the 4 Louisville police officers provided false information to obtain the search warrant used in the deadly raid of Taylor's home on March 13, 2020. Janes, who filed the warrant, was fired back in January 2021 after officials concluded that he had lied in the affidavit. Goodlett helped fill out the warrant and worked on the same team that led the investigation. Meany, the sergeant in charge of Goodlett and Janes' team, was responsible for overseeing the investigation, including vetting affidavits and search warrants submitted by his team. Janes, Goodlett and Meany have been charged with conspiracy for violating Taylor's Fourth Amendment rights due to their roles in writing and submitting a false affidavit to secure a search warrant on the residence.